Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best black waste tank for your RV, the Camco Rhino 21-gallon portable waste tank. If you're an RV enthusiast, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable waste disposal system that makes life on the road easier and cleaner. The Camco Rhino tow tank is designed precisely for that, combining durability, ease of use, and smart features that set it apart from the rest. This tank holds 21 gallons, making it perfect for transporting waste from your RV's black water tank to dump stations, especially when your sewer hose doesn't quite reach. Measuring just over 40 inches tall and weighing around 34.5 pounds, the tank is compact yet spacious enough for multiple uses without constant emptying. One of the standout features of the Camco Rhino is its heavy-duty no-flat wheels. These oversized wheels are built to handle all kinds of terrain effortlessly. Whether you're on gravel, dirt, or pavement, the tank rolls smoothly, reducing strain on your arms and back. The oversized handle adds to the comfort, giving you a secure grip when maneuvering it by hand. If towing is more your style, this tank also includes a steel tow adapter. This lets you easily hitch it to your truck or even a golf cart for effortless transport. This kind of versatility is especially useful for larger campsites or when your RV is parked far from the dump station. Durability is a big selling point here. The Camco Rhino is made from UV-stabilized, blow-molded high-density polyethylene. This material ensures the tank withstands the harsh outdoor elements without cracking, leaking, or degrading under the sun. It's a product built to last season after season. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward thanks to its patented design. The tank features a low drain hole, which helps in fully emptying the contents without leftover residue. Inside, the smooth surface minimizes buildup and makes washing the tank a simple task. Additionally, there's an integrated tank rinser to make rinsing quicker and more thorough, helping you keep everything odor-free and hygienic. Storage is also well thought out. The tank comes with a handy ladder hook so you can hang it securely on your camper ladder when not in use. Tie-down straps fit neatly into grooves on the tank, making it easy to secure the unit during travel. Plus, the included 3-foot sewer hose compresses for convenient storage, rounding out a complete kit designed to cover all your waste management needs. This package includes not just the 21-gallon tank but also several accessories. A 3-foot sewer hose with swivel fittings. A 15-inch female-to-female gray water hose. Clear elbows with multi-functional bayonet fittings, and a variety of caps with lanyards. These extras make connections easier and storage neater, providing you with everything needed for a smooth experience. In summary, the Camco Rhino 21-gallon RV portable waste tank is a heavy-duty, well-crafted solution for anyone serious about hassle-free black water management on the road. It combines smart features, sturdy construction, and thoughtful accessories to make waste disposal as simple and clean as possible. If you want a reliable companion for your RV adventures that can handle waste transport and dumping with ease, this tank is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on must-have products. Safe travels.